Hi, this is Becky at Japan and More. Today we're going to look at some beautiful cherry blossoms. We're at the Yamazaki River in Nagoya. It is one of the top 100 best places to see cherry blossoms in Japan. All right, let's go. To get to the Yamazaki River from JR Nagoya Station, take the Sakura-dori subway line to Sakurayama Station. At Sakurayama Station, take exit 4, then walk east for about 13 minutes until you run into the Yamazaki River. The cherry blossom viewing path runs south on both sides of the river. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information about traveling Japan, check us out on japanandmore.com.